Hello children, let's learn some colors. Red color, green color, blue color, blue color, yellow color, yellow color, orange color, capital letters. A for apple, A for apple. B for banana, B for banana. C for coconut, C for coconut. D for dog, D for dog. E for egg, E for egg. F for fan, F for fan. Z for girl, Z for girl. H for house, H for house. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for joker. Let's draw some shapes. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Colors: sky blue color, square. Orange color, circle. Green color, triangle. Yellow color, heart. Red color, star. A for apple, B for banana, C for coconut, D for dog, E for egg, F for fan, Z for girl, H for house, I for ice cream, J for joker. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Please like my video and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children. Bye bye.